Eco9 is sponsored by your Washington area Toyota dealers.
So WUSA 9 is committed to reporting on the environment and climate. It's really our mission to bring you stories that are making an impact in your lives. And tonight, we're asking a question about that impact. Should dangerous heat be classified as a disaster on par with, say, a hurricane or snowstorm?
So there is growing research that says yes, according to public health experts, emergency managers, and political leaders. Well, today, WUSA 9 environmental reporter Scott Broom stopped by the University of Maryland School of Public Health. He was there to talk to experts who are researching the impacts and costs of extreme heat.
Yes, it's hot, but is this a disaster?
How are we treating the most vulnerable amongst us?
For answers, I had a conversation with Dr. Amir Sapkota at the University of Maryland School of Public Health, where he studies epidemiology and biostatistics.
Heat wave is much more deadlier than other natural disaster. It kills a lot more people, but we don't pay as much attention to it because it's not as shocking as a Category 4 hurricane coming and decimating a neighborhood.
As an example, Sapkota pointed to the 2023 heat wave in Europe last summer that killed 50 to 85,000 people, France being particularly hard hit. But much of the data in a heat wave like this one can go unnoticed. Here are some eye-openers from our own region. The Center for American Progress analyzed public health data from Virginia between 2016 and 2020 and found almost 400 outpatient care visits for heat-related illness, almost 7,000 additional emergency department visits, including 4,600 visits for heat-related illness, and almost 2,000 additional heat-related hospital admissions. And those are examples of just the healthcare costs. Local governments have to spend to open and staff cooling centers and respond with emergency services like EMS. The costs of an extended heat wave, which some view as a slow-motion, quiet disaster, add up. In Congress, the Extreme Heat Act of 2023 failed, but would have formally recognized heat waves as a major disaster like a hurricane, enabling states to ask FEMA for assistance and seek reimbursement for emergency measures like cooling stations and welfare checks. Professor Sapkota left me with these thoughts.
These heat waves are more common, and when they do happen, they tend to last longer, and they are a lot nastier.
Here in Maryland, the health department is now reporting 6 heat-related deaths for this season so far, 4 of them in Prince George's County. In 2020, 21 people died during the heat season. In Maryland, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.